Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Let's go and get into it and see what the heck is going on. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Personal readings down below in the description box. As always, let's get into it. Energy is fluid. What is happening with the Divine Space? Family, friends, and collective. What is it that we need to know? Spirit realm is here. At the bottom of the deck, I'm showing fire sign could be significant. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. But anchoring this reading is the spirit realm. So what's going on? Is something going on in the spirit realm regarding a fire sign? Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. What's happening? Back by the spirit realm. What is it that we need to know? Please, spirit. Spirit realm. What's happening with the spirit realm? Spirit realm, please, spirit. What's going on with the spirit realm for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? We got two cards that definitely came out. At the bottom of the deck, I am showing a spiritual hater is here. Hates, what is it? Hates on your spirituality, light, magic, and power. Somebody hating on y'all. Y'all have a spiritual hater here. I don't know, it could be the fire sign or you could be the fire sign, but I am definitely seeing an energy of confusion. All right. I don't know if this person causing confusion or this person might just simply be confused. That's what I'm showing here. Whoever this person is chasing you. I feel like this may have been a runner chaser dynamic, and I'm seeing that there's energy of this person watching you. Whoever this person is could be like monitoring you, a monitoring spirit, or something like that, or what is it? Astral projecting, monitoring you, watching you, or something like that. Something is definitely going on here where this person in the spirit realm is chasing you, watching you, getting evidence, not knowing what to do. Just imagine someone chasing you and watching you, but they don't know where you went because it feels like this person may have lost you. Wait a minute. They may have lost you in the spirit, y'all. Because I'm definitely seeing an energy of this person trying to get evidence. I feel like whoever this person is tries to stop you. Again, with this spiritual hate, it seems like they don't like your light magic or your power. So they've been chasing, watching you. They're confused about who you are, what you do. I feel like this person gets evidence. They watch, they take pictures, they monitor you, possibly even in the spirit realm. So make sure y'all are protecting yourselves when you sleep, okay? Possibly put some salt and a lime under your bed, all right? Yeah, clarifying this confusion, I'm seeing this person wearing a mask. I'm seeing this energy is very deceptive. There's an energy of pretending. I'm seeing someone being very inconsistent. Number 24, all right? Yeah, this person might even be dealing with some sort of bipolar. Clarify chasing. I feel like whoever this person is, they want to, them chasing you. I'm seeing indulgence. It seems like an energy of this person trying to portray themselves as a friend. They're chasing you and trying to seem friendly. All right. Number 47, trying to make it seem like your life would be better with them in it or something. Or yeah, that's what it seems like. They're trying to convince you that your life would be better with them in it. Proof, photo proof. All right, with this photo proof, I'm definitely seeing energy of you being very wise, very knowledgeable. Number 5. Your energy is coming off as a coach. As they're watching, I feel like this person is possibly learning from you in some form or fashion. All right. You may have given this individual advice or given them some sort of advice, but I am definitely seeing an energy of you guys being very obedient. Look, very obedient. Whoever you are, you're definitely like you pray, very spiritual. I'm definitely seeing an energy of worship here, spiritual worship or something like that. I'm seeing you have this energy of good luck. Mm. Wishes coming true. Number 54 could be significant. 555 could be significant as well because I feel like there's a lot of changes on the horizon, and I feel like this person is trying to keep up with you. They're not going to be able to keep up with you in the physical, so this person is trying to keep up with you in the spirit. Is what I'm seeing here, and it's not going to work. It's not going to work. All right, let's go ahead and clarify this fire, the spirit realm fire sign. What else we need to know? Spirit realm fire sign. I'm seeing an energy of someone carrying a whole lot of burdens, feeling overwhelmed, overloaded for responsibilities and stress. Okay, there's an energy of them experiencing some sort of restriction. All right. You guys spend a lot of time alone. Okay, there's energy of solitude here. I'm seeing an energy of progression. All right. There's progression here with you guys. There's energy of you guys having spiritual enlightenment. You're spiritually enlightened, is what I'm seeing here. Spirit realm fire sign. Spirit realm fire sign. And I have an air sign here. A strong Aquarius energy. That's what I'm seeing. Could be significant. It be you. It could be you, or it could be someone else, the other person. What do we need to know? Spirit realm, fire sign. I'm seeing there's the energy of big opportunities and big changes here that's rushing in towards you, is what I'm seeing here. A closing of some sort of cycle. There's energy of departure. I see it looks like you guys are very direct and honest, very assertive. Hmm. The one who gets what he or she want. Oh, that's what I really be jealous and mad and hate on you. It's like this person may be experiencing some sort of tower moment. It could be a water sign, a Cancer. With this Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, we have air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, we have fire sign, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. But I am definitely seeing a victory here as you guys continue to move forward, regardless of this person is watching or not. Because I'm definitely seeing someone in the shadows with this moon card. Illusions, secrets, and hiding and things like that. That's not gonna work. You too spiritual for that. You too high ranked in the spirit for that. That's why they can't deal with you in the, what makes them think if they can't fuck with you in the physical, they damn sure they can't fuck with you in the spirit. I see this person in the Nine of Swords as you leaving. I'm saying you have a victory. You overcoming all the obstacles. There's an energy of success. There's an energy of self-discipline and determination here. I'm seeing an energy of someone staying focused. All right. You have a plan or something that you want to do, and I see you simply doing that. I'm seeing the pathway being cleared for you. And I see this person in this energy of anxiety, terror, negativity, regret, remorse, focusing on the past. There's an energy of the subject of gossip, people even talking about this person. I'm seeing they are overwhelmed with a lot of burdens. This is someone that you definitely was connected to. They're coming out as the King of Cups. Pisces energy could definitely be significant. They definitely betrayed you, put you in a situation where you possibly wasn't an option. Okay, they didn't choose you before, and Spirit said they're not going to choose you now. That is the daggone truth. It seems like you guys definitely see things or Spirit revealing things so you can see it from a different perspective. All right? For you to release and let go is what I'm seeing here. It looks like there's energy of this person possibly wanting to communicate. This person is not sleeping well at night. Somebody's not sleeping well at night with the Four of Swords, feeling stressed, overwhelmed, possibly praying, just laying in the bed looking up at the ceiling. While things are balancing out for you, there's energy of peace on your side, and you having like dreams being fulfilled, lots of options and choices and multiple possibilities, and you being protected. They can't even come near you. There's an energy of regret here. I'm seeing refusing this person's offer. This a missed opportunity as you continue to move on to calmer waters. That's what I'm seeing here. A calm after the storm. There's an energy of progression, progressing, moving on, moving forward. And somebody get karma. This person keep messing with you. That something is already watching them. Just as they're watching you and calling themselves following you, they're being watched and being followed as well. Karmic justice is definitely at play. You're too strong. You're too powerful. I'm seeing energy of bravery. There's energy of confidence here. Compassion. I'm seeing an energy of you maintaining some sort of control, taming the beast within yourself, or have maintained some sort of beast within yourself, is what I'm seeing here. I'm saying you may possibly made some sort of choice when it comes to a connection with this Lovers card. Made a major choice. All right. Yeah, your energy is coming out very spiritual. It seems like you're just simply focusing on new, but it's like this person don't want to let you go. Somebody from the past just keep coming back and keep trying to extend some sort of offer, some sort of romantic proposal or offer to you. Very immature and childish. They don't know how to take no as an for an answer with this this Page of Cups energy, and you just simply following your intuition. You have already invested more than enough time with this person, and that's why Spirit says it's time to go. Two of Wands, Fool card. It's time to go. It's time for a new beginning. This person can't come with you. Like I said, if they can't fuck with you in the spirit, they damn sure can't fuck with you. I mean, if they can't fuck with you in the physical, they damn sure can't fuck with you in the spirit. Y'all have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love